Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Come test drive the 2024 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.